Introducing our customized Loop Rung, the perfect addition to your outdoor playground for endless adventures and active play. With its sturdy construction and customizable features, kids can climb, hang, and swing to their heart's content, building strength and coordination along the way. Welcome to the excitement of outdoor play with our customized Crescent Slide, the ultimate addition to your playground for endless thrills and laughter. Crafted with safety and fun in mind, our outdoor playground equipment offers young adventurers an exhilarating slide experience like no other. With its gentle curve and smooth surface, kids can zip down the Crescent Slide with ease, experiencing the joy of speed and motion in a safe and controlled environment.